Introducing an upgraded solution for 2010 and up Toyota 4Runners, the 99-8271S and 8271 CHG. Now this kit has been updated from our 99-8227 with a more modern radio opening and brackets, while we also include the vent dial trim panels with this kit. Just like our previous kit, you'll be utilizing the factory AC vents and hazard button. To finalize this install, please visit metraonline.com for your audio and steering wheel control options, and your antenna adapter will be the 40-LX11 for 2014 and up models, while 2010 to 2013 models do not require one. Both of these kits are designed for a single and double-din radio installation. Difference in them being is the S is painted silver and the CH is painted charcoal high gloss. For any more information on this product or other brands, you could visit metraonline.com, find us on Facebook, and follow us on Instagram. Thank you for choosing Metra Electronics. We are 12 Volt.